Gold mask with hijab. This is perfect for me. Hello and welcome. Today we have a very exciting vlog. Today we are at Dubai Gold Souk. As you can see on my back, there is a gold souk, and we are here to shop something for for me, definitely. So guys, because of the corona, we are wearing mask, and we just park our car over there. There is a multi-car park. We just park over there, and now we are heading towards Gold Souk. Okay, here is one of my favorite gold brand, and before I went in, I just want to look around and I want to survey and I want to get a best out of my budget. And regarding for my budget, I just want to tell you, I got a gift voucher worth 2,000 and we have to get something within that range. Still we are walking. The weather is so nice, and I'm so excited for the gold shopping anyway, and especially as I told you, I have a gift and I have to spend that. So I'm so happy. You know, women are always happy to buy some gold and diamond. Let's find out what will we get within this budget. Can we get diamonds? A small tiny diamonds maybe. You never know. Let's find out. Stay with me. Until then, I will just explain you what is the gift about. I have a gift voucher from You Got a Gift. It's a modern style of e-gift. So recipient can get a e-voucher and he can spend whether online or in store. There are plenty of options: dining, fashion, jewelry, grocery, and entertainment, Netflix, and so on. So it's a modern style of e-gifting. You just need to insert the amount in whatever currency and it will just give you the online application, and there is an app also you can download from iStore or Android or whatever you want. So here's the screenshot. I'm just sharing you my screen, what app I have. On my back you can see a very nice, all the jewelry shops are here, diamond shops are there. It's lovely. Huh? Wow. Amazing.
You see the other part. Wow.
Wow.
And another one.
Very nice.
And another one.
Okay, here's Hakan with me.
Yes. And you
Oh my god, this is what we want. This is the whole big Gold Souk building. And you can see we are heading towards, oh my god, you see this is a big dress, and this is a speciality of Dubai.
that's the gold. It's just a gold diamond.
It's a gold,
Is it
all
gold?
gold.
And more. Which one you want? What's that? You want this one? Which one? This, that's
Whoa.
the biggest. That's the biggest one.
Shit.
Is it?
Wow. This is another dress. Gold dress. Wow.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Amazing. It's so nice. क्या मैं इतना गोल्ड पहन सकती हूँ? Whoa. Amazing. Let's go. அந்த குஷ்பு போடும்ல கடை பூட்டி இருக்கு. अच्छी है नहीं? Gold hijab.
I have it down on it. You want the crown?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take that.
Get mask. There's mask. Hijab.
Gold mask with hijab. This is perfect for me.
The mask is there with the purse.
Mask together. That's also
Amethyst.
amethyst. नाइस यार. हाँ लग नहीं रहा ना कि गोल्ड है.
असली गोल्ड तो नहीं लग रहा ना.
ये मोटी भी है. ये 14 नहीं 20.
ये ले लो, ये ले लो. ये वाला ओके ना?
ये नहीं अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा. ठीक है.
देखिए 23 ग्राम 23-24 ग्राम का
ये मेरा ऐसे ही आ जाएगा.
ये आपका 20 ग्राम सही छोटा सा आपको
हाँ.
देखिए ये देखो 2-4 साइज में है.
थोड़ा ब्रॉड पे होगा मतलब इसी से वेट के अंदर लेकिन थोड़ा ब्रॉड बड़ा दिखता है. लेकिन डबल में अच्छा लगेगा ना. ये सिंगल वाला नहीं है.
सिंगल तो इसका
ये अच्छा लग रहा है।
सिंगल भी पहन सकते हैं, सेट चाहिए तो सेट भी पहन सकते हैं।
कैसा लग रहा है? ये अनकट डायमंड है,
डायमंड का
महंगा हो जाएगा काफ़ी।
थोड़ा अलग है। 11 ग्राम 390 है, 11.39।
नहीं, ये डिज़ाइन नहीं है। तो बहुत बारीक बारीक लग रहे हैं।
इसे तो अनकट डायमंड का सिंबल ब्रेसलेट टाइप में आता है, तो 5100 रेंज में आ रहा है।
अनकट डायमंड नहीं चाहिए।
I need to sit right now.
Yes, Mama.
Mama is right over there. Mama.
एक ये और एक ये। कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है? ये लग तो अच्छा रहा है। So I got this one, and let me open for you.
Wow.
So here is my gift. I add some more cash on it, and it's beautiful. Now I'm here again with the selfie video. So I got my shopping. Here is my gift from Malabar, and I got it from Malabar. Apparently I always like their designs and I love it, and today also I got it from Malabar. I'm really happy, so excited as I show you my gift. And now that's all. And by the way, I always recommend all of you do visit Malabar Gold and Jewelry. You will get a very nice discounted rate, and especially now it's DSF. As you all know, this is a gold rates are a bit high, but you will get a very nice raise in the making charges and wonderful designs. As you have seen my one, after visiting so many shops, I ended in Malabar as always. I don't know, I have some sort of connection with Malabar. I always like their designs. I don't know why, what's wrong. Like, I visit many stores, many brands here, but I always end up with Malabar. Malabar, you guys are amazing. Your designs are amazing. I always like it, especially their services. And by the way, this is not the collab or co-promotion video. It's my genuine feelings about Malabar. So guys, if you want to shop any gold for 2020, I think this is the right time, because this is DSF. Although the gold charges are slightly high, but you will get a very good making charges and other things in Malabar. Alright guys, we are done with our shopping, and now we are heading towards home. As you can see, most of the shop. No, thank you. That guy was asking me for the taxi. I don't need taxi. My car is parking under the parking area. There is a parking building over here, so we are heading towards that. And as you can see, most of the shops are closed here behind me. Remember when I was entering, the gold souk, all these shops were open, and all are these gold shops behind me, most of them. Okay, but now this is almost, I think it's a bit late. I didn't realize how the time passed when you are in the gold souk and you're doing jewelry shopping. You will not realize what time is it exactly. But we are so tired. Not me, I'm so happy and I'm full of energy, but Hakan is really tired. Hakan, would you like to say something?
Yes.
What?
We saw a giant ring.
But are you tired?
Yeah, because if it's 9 o'clock, we will sleep.
Okay, 9 o'clock is their sleeping time, and today I don't know what time is it. I didn't check it yet. But
It's 9 o'clock.
it's almost 9 o'clock. Okay, so
It's 9 o'clock too.
Okay.
9 o'clock.
okay. So guys, this is a bit late. Kids are really tired and we are done with our shop, and I'm so happy I got this gift. Before entering the mall, I want to get a gold chain necklace for my neck, but we changed our mind. I changed my mind when I entered and I saw this beautiful piece of bracelet. And although I wear hijab, usually chain will be hidden under my hijab, so there is no point, as Tahir said, there is no point to invest in the chain. So it's really better for me to get the bracelet so I can wear on my hand and it will be more visible, you know. So anyways, we are done, we are good. That's it for the vlog. Okay, thank you so much for the gift. Thank you, you got a gift. Thank you so much Malabar for the wonderful design, and my viewers, thank you for liking this vlog. Please do subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell icon so you will get the notifications for all new videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.